Does having a beard increase your self-confidence? Now, the importance of confidence cannot be overstated. Being confident means being willing and optimistic about new opportunities and your ability to exploit them. Taking calculated risks, after all, is a sign of confidence. And as we know, no risk, no reward. And as a channel that focuses on men's grooming and beards typically, today we're actually going to talk about 3 reasons why beards have been linked to increased confidence in men. Now, what's interesting here is that some of these reasons are actually causatory for confidence, and some are the effects of confidence as they relate to your beard. And you'll see what I mean as we get further into these reasons. So the first reason why beards are typically linked with confidence has to do with masculinity, and more specifically the self-image of the man who has the beard. Men who have beards typically view themselves as more masculine. Not exactly compared to others without beards, but more so relative to when they themselves didn't have a beard. And this increased their self-professed masculine image. And now this is one of those instances I actually mentioned earlier, in which case having a beard actually directly influences a man's self-image and a man's confidence. And it's because the beard itself is the cause for that. Now, reason number 2 is actually going to be a little bit different. Reason number 2 has to do with testosterone. Now, in this case, the beard itself is not the cause of confidence, but it's the hormone that can cause the beard, which is also linked to an increase in confidence. Many studies show that higher levels of testosterone in both men and women are linked directly to an increased perceived level of confidence. And as we know, higher testosterone levels in a man also typically indicate a better ability to grow a beard. Now, we can't say this is true for every case out there, but speaking from this data alone, we can assume that a man with the ability to grow a full, thick beard typically has a higher level of innate confidence. And last but not least, the third and final reason today we're going to talk about why beards increase your self-confidence has to do with your ability to express yourself. Everyone needs a certain level of expression in their daily lives. Generally, people like to be themselves. They don't want to feel judged for anything. People generally want to be able to fit into an identity that they see for themselves and is in agreement with the lifestyle they want to live. After all, there's just something to be said about being free and able to express yourself. And many men out there use their beards to do exactly that, and we encourage that. So ultimately, it's that ability to express yourself to other people and to be you without the fear of judgment or anything like that that helps us feel confident with ourselves, especially if we like the person we're becoming. So thank you guys so much for watching this short little video. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome Thanksgiving week. If you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and you're not going to want to miss out on any of the other awesome content creators that we have on this channel, because they've got tons of videos coming along right alongside mine. So head down there and click on Grooming's YouTube channel, and you can explore all the content creators we have. We have a lot of shorts and full-length videos going up, and you're not going to want to miss them. And I will see you guys in the next one.